Greetings, scholars, and welcome to week 3 of Political Economy. This week we are going to be going over the PowerPoint lecture, which covers macroeconomics, the big picture. We're also going to have a video, the Federal Reserve. It's an hour plus, so you might want to watch it in segments. And then a reading assignment this week is from Weaver, pages 99 through 177. Also, too, you have your written assignment number 3, which is due the 24th, as well as your discussion board, which is also due the 24th. So let's get started here. As I went ahead and injected a video here for another one from Jocko in regards to the grind. And week 3, I thought this would be fitting for us as far as he talks about Sisyphus and having to if you Google Sisyphus, you'll find out the whole background on it. But basically, was punished and had to push a rock up a hill only to watch it fall back down. Sometimes life can be that way, where you're just going day in, day out, and in regards to academics, the homework every week, it's like you're pushing that rock, you're pushing the envelope, you're out there trying to get all your research done, all your reading done, all your writing done, only to start back again the next week. But the way that Jocko explains it and inspires you is that should be where you get your joy from. It sounds weird, but look at it from the standpoint of what you're getting out of it. You're getting, you're increasing your knowledge, you're increasing your discipline on staying focused. You're learning, and you're able to factor in your time management skills. So look at the positives on it all. But it's just a short video, and it just gets you thinking about your daily routine and how things are just a grind every day. So good luck to you on that. PowerPoint lecture. You have the video on macroeconomics. You have your PowerPoint, and then you have your Bernanke lecture. It's a PDF, and then also too you have this YouTube video here, which, like I said, it runs about an hour plus, so you're going to want to watch it in segments. So it's just something to do when you're done with. You want to take a break from reading, just give yourself about 15 minutes of it, and then shut it down and then continue on. As far as the PowerPoint goes, the PowerPoint is broken into 13 different slides this week. And basically, this is the overview of macroeconomics. We're looking at the big picture here in regards to the economy, looking down at the economy from above. The perspective of the economic landscape consists of 3 parts. We're talking about the business firms, you're talking about your household, and you're talking about government, and the big problems that are part of it. You have your depression, recession, and these are 2 things that you'll see. I'll bring it up here in a second. In regards to where we are at, where our nation is at right now, where the globe is at right now with terrorism. We have North Korea issues. So this is really a good week for you to look for some external resources for information on depression, recessions, and economic productivity, and what causes these to occur. And you'll see that where we're at right now, it's one of those things that we're kind of trending on that line as far as a potential depression, recession, again, if things don't turn around. So you're looking at the overview of macroeconomics. Once again, it's business, government, and household. You're going to have your GDP, talk about consumption. So all of these that were, this is a big week too, where you're going to want to really focus on your definitions. So, take your notes and write these definitions down, because write reserve ratios, discount ratio, or discount rate, open market operations, and just put some notes to these. They're going to help you at the end of the course when you take your actual final. So that's the PowerPoint. Once again, it's 13 slides, and it's narrated by Dr. Kircher again. Does a great job on that. So moving on, we'll go open up the Bernanke lecture, and you can see here that it is roughly, it's about 50 slides, and this is 37. And what I just talked to you about with regards to the bank failures and the Great Depression, what caused the Great Depression. And you can see right here, economic and financial repercussions of World War I. The way things are right now, I mean, is Is it setting us up for another bubble in the stock prices? I mean, are we trending that way? And then what caused the Great Depression again? Monetary policy in the Great Depression. So these are really some good slides here that are kind of, were back then, but they're also taking place now. So these are just things that we need to be aware of, and going forward in your studies, you'll see with all the news headlines that how this all ties together. So back to week 3 here. So then, so once again, your PowerPoint, your PDF, and then your YouTube, and then your written assignment. Your written assignment is statistics tracking. You must reference the required readings, citing author and page number. Your answers and discussion should be 1 to 2 pages per question, typed and submitted as a Word document. This is key right here. Make sure that everybody submits in a Word document. That way I can open it up and it's easier for me to read and access, and pushes me through to grade your paper a lot quicker as well. The first question is, discuss fiscal policy, the role of the legislative and executive branches of the government, and the ideological divide that complicates the policy process. And then number 2 is, discuss the monetary policy and the role of the Federal Reserve in its purpose and methods. And this is all stuff that you're going to find in your Weaver book, and that's in page 99 to 177. It's all broken down in there. Next, you're going to have your discussion board for week 3. Discuss the Fed's role as lender of last resort. Why is it important, and what is its purpose? So once again, you're going to go ahead and submit through a discussion board what it is that your answer to these questions here. And then in closing, I have, stay disciplined in your faith, and these are a list of emergency numbers that if you feel at any time you need an answer to one of these questions, go ahead and look at these scriptures here, and they should be able to push you through and get over the hurdle for whatever it may be. So as we begin week 3, this is where you need to stay the course and not let external factors detract you from your mission. Many blessings, Professor H. If everybody's doing great work right now, I appreciate all the responsiveness to time constraints as far as your deadlines. Everybody seems to be meeting them. So if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. And don't forget, you still have your critical assignments, so people should be working on those and following through on your outline and getting all your references. So good luck to you, and let's have a great week. Thank you.